This is like the best fun that you can have.
It's alive.
And this is all playing around with big toys.
Well, they may look like toys, but from the helicopter to the rover, these machines may someday be remembered as the ancestors of robots like R2-D2.
My main focus with robots is to make them autonomous. Now that kind of seems counterintuitive. If you think of a robot, you think, well, a robot is supposed to be autonomous and it's supposed to be intelligent.
ASU Assistant Professor Srikanth Sarapalli says right now most robots, like aerial drones or unmanned subs, are still physically or electronically tethered to and driven by humans.
The main focus of my research is autonomy. How do you make these robots avoid obstacles, follow humans, behave more like humans?
And a big part of that is helping robots know where they are, where they're going, and what to do when they get there. It's a process we don't even understand well in humans.
When we look at information around us, we can immediately say that there's a car here, I need to take a left here, I need to take a right here. That's actually very hard if you think in terms of, if you think how you actually process that information.
So as biologists and computer scientists study that, Sarapalli puts their research to work.
Right now we have aerial vehicles that can avoid obstacles, that can fly autonomously, that can map places.
That vehicle, a helicopter, relies heavily on GPS.
We can tell it to go to a GPS waypoint, or we can have it what's called a relative waypoint and just say, fly 100 feet forwards.
The rover's a bit more advanced, using camera eyes and a light-emitting radar to create 3D maps.
Once you have that 3D map, then you can ask questions, should I take this path to go from point A to point B? Are there rocks and boulders and things like that? Or should I take a different path?
And there's the underwater vehicle, which must carry most of its information on board with periodic GPS updates.
So it's kind of like closing your eyes, diving down into a pool, going some distance, coming up, and then looking around and then saying, oh, I'm off, so I want to go there.
Sarapalli's goal is to get all three working together and then working to make our lives safer and easier.
They are aids for us so that we can actually concentrate on more nicer jobs, if you want to put it that way.